This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by signing into Madden 26 and opening Ultimate Team. This syncs your profile and available rewards. Once done, navigate straight to events and find Spotlight Token Challenges. These are time-limited objectives that award tokens on completion. Make sure to check position requirements and any 1/2 progress counters before committing players. That prevents wasted stamina and plays. You should also confirm daily and weekly objectives because they stack with Spotlight tasks, and completing both accelerates token gain. Now you execute the core challenges. Pick the solo or event tasks that explicitly list Spotlight tokens. Use backup or bench players to satisfy position-based requirements so your main lineup stays fresh. Adjust difficulty and apply temporary boosts to shorten playtime. This increases success rates and reduces retries. Keep an eye on objective timers and required play counts. If a task needs 5 completions, plan sessions accordingly. Once several challenges are complete, tokens will accumulate in your inventory automatically. Finish by claiming completed event rewards and checking your inventory for token tallies. You need to confirm totals before spending. Redeem tokens in the Spotlight store or on specific objectives that require them. Spend deliberately on high-value packs or targeted player upgrades. If tokens don't appear, first clear filters and reopen inventory, then log out and log back in to force a sync. If that fails, check server status and wait a few minutes. Most issues resolve with a reconnect or a short retry.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.